Hello, today I'm going to show you a great word game called Dordle, which is based on Wordle, but it's actually a two-word Wordle, I suppose, and you're guessing two words at the same time, and both words are solved simultaneously. And so I'll show you how it works. This is Dordle.io, and I'll put that link down in the description section below the video, and I'll click here on Daily Dordle. And what actually happens is it's the same as Wordle, where you start off with your favourite words, Wordle words. I always like to start with alone, and then pitch, P-I-T-C-H, and enter. And oh wait, that one looks like I've got 5 letters there, so it ends in H, so I think that's going to be L-O-A-T-H, loath. Enter. Oh, there we go. I've got that one after 3 guesses, and you can see because it's all green, then because it's all green, then I've solved that word, and now I need to work on the word in the second column. So what I'll do, drums is my next word, D-R-U-M-S, enter. Oh, nothing for drums. I've got L-O-A-T, not too sure about that one. I might try my fourth word that I often use is gawky. And I've just got an A there. So I know that first letter A, third letter O, and then a T and an L. So that might be actually, let's have a look, A-T-O-L-L. Oh, there we go. I've got it with loath and atoll. So there we go. You can see there that as I entered the words in, I entered the word in just once, and it appeared the same in both columns until I solved the word, and then the guesses stop, and then it just concentrates on the other column that you still have to solve. So yes, once it's so it's similar to Wordle. Wordle, you get 6 guesses. With Dordle, because you're doing 2 words, then you get an extra guess, so you've got 7 guesses rather than just the one for Wordle. So it's similar to Wordle, a little bit more tricky because you've got 2 words. But if you like Wordle, then you should have a go at Dordle as well. And this one has a daily word, just like the Wordle does. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.